What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Cromwell, gonna do a room tour of the Luxury King room in room 858. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this room, this is your entryway. You've got a nice spacious entryway here. To your right, you've got some nice photo decor of someone gambling, just to get the gambler's mood right. Coming into the room, as you come on in, to your left you do have your king bed. We'll get that way in a second. Immediately in front of you though is your entertainment space. So you do have a wall mounted flat screen TV. Under that TV you do have a sound bar, so that's convenient for those who might have some games on. You do have an ice bucket of cups, so if you need to get your drink on, you can get an ice bucket. Now down here below it does look like a mini bar, but this one looks empty. Doesn't look like there's any drinks in here. And it's locked, so typically these come with a mini bar where you can purchase items, but I guess this one's empty. And then here you just have a bunch of drawers. Go all the way down. I'm not gonna open them all, but you've got plenty of storage space for those who might need to store things. Over here you have a work desk space, so if you're here on business and you need to get some work done, you do have a desk area for you. You've got some drawers here as well, so all the way across you shouldn't have any storage issues. And there's also charging outlets right there, so you've got the standard outlet charging ports, as well as USB standard charging ports. So that's very convenient. Then here on the bed, as you see here, you've got a footer at the end of the bed and a very nice king bed. Now this does not look like the backdrop in the photos, but this is the luxury room. It does look nice though. You do have lamps bedside, and there's a remote, and again you have more drawers on both sides of the bed. Over here on this side you have a nice huge soaking tub, so it's a very nice spacious garden tub. And you've got your faucets there. It looks a little antique. And then this is a view of the strip. Well, I guess you could say a view of the strip. Some of these Cromwell rooms will open slightly, I guess like an inch for the air, but this particular one won't open. But you can get a slight view of the strip. It's right next to Bally's, so you'll see Bally's as well. And then we'll make our way on over into the bathroom for the finale of this tour. And as you see, this is on the other side. Now you do have your sliding barn door here, all the way up there, as you see. It goes across, but I'm not gonna slide it all the way for the purpose of time. But here's your bathroom. So coming into the bathroom, you've got a really nice updated bathroom. Immediately to our left, we have a nice walk-in closet. So you've got an ironing board and a luggage rack. Above you have an iron. If it'll get in focus. Okay, well I guess our iron's not gonna get in focus. And there we go. And then you've got a couple of racks here as well, or robes. I cannot talk today. But very nice walk-in closet, plenty of space for those of you who need to store things while you're in town. And then you do have dual vanity sinks, so you have the nice updated tiles for the countertop, very big mirror above both sinks. And then you have a vanity space in between, so you do have a chair below, as well as a vanity mirror that does light up. So if you need the extra lighting, you get glamified, and you have a hair straightener and a hair dryer. So very, very convenient for those who may need that space. Behind this door you have a water closet for the toilet, so it's a good size space, not too big, not too small, very nice space behind this door. And then to the right, the finale, if we can open doors right, is the master bathroom. If I can get in focus here. All right, so this is a huge walk-in shower. As you see up there, you have the nice rainfall shower head. You've got the extendable shower head here. I'm gonna get in here real quick just so you all can see how big this thing is. But this walk-in shower is massive. Very, very, very nice walk-in shower. So if you're thinking about staying in this room, it is a very nice room, and you'll get a very nice walk-in shower. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.